Hi everyone. Today I am explaining the simple way to M340 Modbus programming in Unity Pro Excel for beginners. Here, see, this is the PLC system, M340 PLC system, power supply, CPU, NOM cards. This is called our PLC system M340, and there are a Modbus network, device 1, device 2, device 3 up to device 32. These 32 devices are connected in series. So this is called DC chain network. So one to another device connected in network. This is called a serial DC chain network. This one device connected to the our channel, CPU channel. Similar way, if another 32 devices connected in NOM card channel 1, another channel, similar way other card channel 0, channel 1. So this is the way we can connect each channel into 32 devices. For each devices, the major parameters are ID, slave ID, slave ID 1, slave ID 2, slave ID 3, slave ID 4, up to 32 is the maximum slave IDs. Another major parameters are baud rate. Each device having the speed of baud rate. That is, here 9600 is the baud rate. What is the parity? Another major parameter, parity. Parity, here it is even. So this is Modbus devices configuration parameters. Similarly, need to configure in CPU. So we see in Unity platform how to configure master configurations and how to write a program in Unity Pro. Okay, we see an Unity Pro black platform. So here this is power supply, this is CPU. Now we need to add NOM card, go on communication, select NOM, click OK. Yes, confirm. Another new device, go on communication, select NOM card, click OK. So here as per architecture, power supply, CPU, two NOM cards are added. Okay, now how to configure a channel. So select on channel. Default you will get this serial port. Here processor having only single channel. So this configuration to master, transmission speed 9600 bits per second, it's okay. And the between frames, delay between frames 4 milliseconds, number of retries 3, it is a default. Answer delay 1 second. So this is the configurations in master side. So here validated. Going to another NOM card. Here there are two channels, channel 0, channel 1. Click on the channel 0. Function selected as Modbus link. Then change configuration as a master. Transmission speed into 9600. Delay between frame 4 milliseconds. It's a default. RTU, parity is even. These are same. So in this Modbus BMX NOM card, channel 1 is configured. Similarly, go in Modbus NOM card 2. Here also I will configure another channel, channel 1. Same parameter, it's changed to master. Transmission speed to 9600. Default delay between frame is 4 milliseconds. Answer delay, number of traces are 3. So if you want to change answer delay, you can modify in the answer delay option. So here 100 milliseconds and validated. So this is the first configuration steps in NOM card and CPU. I think it's clear. Now we go to write a program for Modbus communication. So click on section, new section, we'll tell it as FBD language, Modbus test, click OK. Now we have to read 10 registers from slave devices. So we should use readvar function from library, readvar, select readvar, click OK. So this is the block, readvar block. First assign the address of the device. Here I am writing first device Modbus program. Take another FFB type, the function block ADDM. Click OK. What is the address? First device address as per architecture. You see, this is a 0 rack, 0 slot. You see here 0th channel. Through this communicating device 1, the slave ID is 1. Same address need to configure in address block. So give a quotation, 0 rack, 0 slot, 0 channel and slave ID. Click OK. This is the address configuration assigned to ADR. OBJ, what is a OBJ? This is object to read. So what type of object we want to read? Here there are two objects. One is a memory word, it is analog. Another one is bits 0 or 1s. Here we want to read memory object. So same single quotation, then %MW. So objective mentioned as read of word. Then what address we need to read? So here the address is as per slave address, reading memory address. Here 1000 is slave address. In 1000 we want to read 5 registers. So 1000 having temperature, pressure, speed and current, whatever the 5 registers we are reading through Modbus communication. So in single line, what is the number of consecutive object read? So 1000 having temperature, 1001 is a pressure. So here you mention directly 5. So you will get 1000, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. So this is the num. It's a consecutive location. Then guest parameter. Here it is read guest 1. So this is the array variable. It must be the array is 0 to 3 only as per standard, and click OK. Similarly RECP, you will get the value in this variable. This also give just value. Here 0 to 5. Why you want in 5 registers, so you mention as a 5. Okay, now it's clear. Still it is showing an error. Why? Because of we need to allow the array variables in the setting. So go and tick these two options and click OK. So then the error also gone. So this is the way write a simple program in Excel for M340. So now you analyze a program. So first you click on ready, settings, ready to tool, then analyze. So without any error, you see no errors are found at a program. So next video I will explain how to read the value, how to diagnose the error. Okay, thank you.